office in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Iroquois County and east central Illinois, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana until 10:45 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Grant Park to near Bradley to Chapin, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
As we get into Will County, confirmed
radar
tornado move
indicated
through.
rotation.
The line is really going there.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Lowell and Lake Village around 9:55 p.m.
If there's a spin up, another
Roosevelt
spin
and
up,
Shelby around 10 p.m.
National Weather Service
around 10:05 p.m.
I think
Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Wheatfield. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning.